Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on a school computer. School computers typically have robust security measures, preventing direct game installations or the use of Android emulators. This means traditional methods won't work. The most effective, and often the only viable approach, is to leverage a cloud-based streaming service. This method bypasses local restrictions by running the game remotely, delivering the video feed directly to your browser. When choosing a cloud service, it's crucial to find one that specifically supports Android applications or provides a web-based interface for mobile games. Many popular cloud gaming platforms focus on PC titles, so verify their mobile game offerings. Consider services that offer a free trial or a basic free tier, allowing you to test its functionality and network compatibility on your school's internet connection before committing to a subscription. This ensures a smooth experience. Once you've selected your service, open your school computer's web browser and navigate to the platform's website. You'll then log into your account. Within the cloud environment, you'll typically find an app store where you can download and launch Clash Royale, logging in with your Google Play credentials. Remember, a strong and stable internet connection is paramount for a good streaming experience, aiming for at least 25 megabits per second download speed to avoid frustrating lag. Before you start playing, always be mindful of your school's internet usage policies. While this method bypasses technical blocks, it doesn't override rules about appropriate computer use. Use headphones for audio to maintain a quiet environment for your classmates. Most importantly, remember that school is for learning. This method is intended for responsible use during designated free time, like lunch breaks, and should never interfere with your academic responsibilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.